Nkosi introduces Prophet Sia as his advisor at House of Zwide. Faith thinks it's a crazy idea and threatens to expose Sia for taking her money. Things are quiet between KD and Ona. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. So Nkosi decided to introduce Sia to everyone at House of Zwide, saying that she's gonna be his PA and advisor. So she's going to be reporting on duty at House of Zwide and working alongside him. So everything that he does is going to be reporting to Sia for advice. Faith thinks it's a crazy idea. Like, we're going to pint nje isangoma. Everyone, everyone's going to think House of Zwide is now House of Muti. Faith is they're going to think we are using black magic to hear my clients. But because it's like, yes, guys, I don't understand why you guys don't see. This is the only person that helped me. Faith is now worried because Nkosi is spiraling out of control. Maybe he's relapsing. But Ona's like, yes, maybe it's not such a bad idea. Man, he doesn't look bad at all. So let him make his own decisions. And then Nkosi advances, he decides to introduce Sia to the whole staff at House of Zwide, telling them his door is open, they can come talk to him whenever they need something, and then he's going to run it past Sia. And then he's going to get back to them. Do you understand the hierarchy now? Nkosi must first consult Sia and then talks to and then give his response or feedback to the team. So the person running House of Zwide now will be Sia, since she's the one that has to advise each and every decision. Faith decides she's going to take Sia for a walk to show her around. And she wants to call her off, saying, yes, and you need to stop whatever that you're doing, or else expose her to see when you don't care about Nkosi corner at all. Into nje is just power. To Faith, shut up. Uyambona nje ukuthi now uyambona for who she is. Uyinyoka wena. You don't even care about Nkosi corner. To Faith, you know what? If you don't tell Nkosi ukuthi Lento was a mistake, I'm going to expose you and tell him because you've been taking money from me. That's fine. Go ahead. I'm going to tell him because you've been bribing me. Faith cannot actually expose her because what is Nkosi going to say she was paying her for? And then Gello Pelly decided to post Beggy on socials, exposing him for being a scammer. Last thinks it's a bad idea because she violated the Poppy Act, but everyone has also like Krishna say they are proud of her. And then Mampo talks to Newo, saying that they should fight for Ona and fix things. They shouldn't break up over this KD thingy. But then people won't blame him if he loses to KD. I mean, KD is fine. Hey, no, like, you know what, when I know that you never have good intentions, but now you're off rampa. And then Ona meets with KD. KD makes her uncomfortable when he starts talking about the kiss, saying that it felt real. Ona insists that it was professional and they were working, but KD is like, I know you felt it too. Ona becomes uncomfortable and ends up leaving the meeting. I think these ones are going to date, hey, because probably Ona caught feelings or something, or she felt something too, but she's got a boyfriend and she cannot pursue this relationship. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.